Ukrainian defender from the anti-aircraft artillery regiment shoots down a Russian cruise missile from Manpads. He's not in uniform. The emotions of the defenders when they succeed are incredible. We camouflage ourselves. We walk around in civilian clothes. A Russian soldier complains about the hostile attitude of local pro-Ukrainian residents in temporarily occupied Ukrainian territories. He talks quietly and is dressed in civilian clothes.
В целом все хорошо. Ночка была горячая. Укропы вообще что-то обозлились, херачат градами, хуячили. 2 химаря прилетело в центр ночью. По нашей улице тоже тут долбили. ФПИшка пролетала сегодня. Прямо по улице пролетела. В конце улицы Урал у нас там ехал с парнями. Но все живы, здоровы. Машину подожгли. Мы все успели выскочить, все хорошо. В общем, укропы озверели. Ну, победа будет за нами, я думаю. Скоро должно это все закончиться. И придет мирная жизнь. Соседи тут 50 на 50. Даже не 50 на 50. 60 на 40, скажем так. 60 за нас, 40 за ждуны, так называемые. Ну, мы с ними аккуратно, но максимально мы маскируемся, ходим по гражданке, он видит. Все, мы ходим, в шортах хожу. Вот. Ну, в целом все хорошо. Сейчас поедем по делам. Хопа не поедем, сегодня делов много надо сегодня. КамАЗы перегнать надо сегодня. На передок съездить еще. Делов очень много. Ладно, всем привет, мы не унываем, вы там тоже. Давайте, держитесь, не болейте. Всем здоровья, счастья.
Here is a captured Russian infantryman. He wants to say something about his president. We won't translate it directly, but it has something with Putin's sexual orientation. The rest you'll understand.
Скажешь. Сюда дивіться. Хто Путін?
Путін підар, єбаний, мразь.
Слава Україні.
Слава Україні.
Героям слава.
Слава героям України. Слава.
An American-made Bradley is destroying Russian positions in New York Donetsk region. The legendary IFV leaves no chance for the enemy. More promotions of Banzai motorcycle assaults by Russians. They are taking it rather seriously. The Russian war blogger Sladkov writes, "The motorcycle is increasingly becoming part of the list of essential frontline vehicles. And for the assault, and for the rapid transfer of food and ammunition, and for the evacuation of the wounded. There is a debate about whether electric bikes are better. However, electric bikes will never achieve the same power and range as gasoline ones. And by the way, a new military specialty is appearing, motorized riflemen, or whatever it is. From October 1, DOSAF begins training in this military specialty at its training grounds. Stormtroopers, Easterners, you are great guys." Did you turn on the GoPro? This is a steam room. Assault on enemy positions. An assault group of fighters from the 12th Azov Brigade set out to clear enemy strongholds. A small arms battle broke out between the Azov fighters and the occupiers at a distance of less than 10 meters. As a result of the assault, all occupiers were eliminated. The enemy positions were taken under the control of Azov fighters. According to the Russian telegram channel Baza, 29-year-old Russian soldier Alexei Zhuravlyov, who opened fire in Kozinka, Belgorod region of Russia, and shot 3 other Russian soldiers. Russian media wrote that he did not want to fight and allegedly saw no other way out. According to Baza, the motive for the murder could have been revenge on co-workers for humiliation. Alexei Zhuravlyov lived in Cheboksary, and in 2011 he committed a robbery, for which he was later convicted, Part 2, Paragraph A, 161 of the Criminal Code, by a group of persons. Astra found out. Prior to his service, he worked as a window installer and pipe fitter. Zhuravlev's data is also found in a large number of databases of debtors and recipients of microloans. According to RT, the man signed the contract last year. Russians mounted a RVU 6000 naval anti-submarine warfare rocket launcher from the 1960s on an Ural truck and use it versus Ukrainian ground positions. The German government responded skeptically to opposition leader Friedrich Merz's suggestion that Berlin should join allies in providing Western fighter jets to Ukraine. Government spokesman Stefan Gabestreit highlighted that Germany's Bundeswehr does not have F-16s, but uses Eurofighter Typhoons, making Merz's proposal impractical due to different training requirements. A possible Trump presidency. Zelensky said that he is not afraid of it, and we will continue to work. I'm not afraid of that. 40 billion euros for Ukraine for 2025 will not be revised, the president assured.
І інші народи на це не впливають. Друге, що стосується наших відносин з республіканською партією.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.